To stretch out the right levator scapula muscle, bring your left hand back and behind your head with the pads of your fingertips on the first two vertebrae of your neck. Then, place your right hand behind, sliding it down your neck, keeping that elbow pointing up. Look with your eyes to a spot down on the left side of the floor. With your left hand, gently pull the right side of the neck and head away from the right shoulder until you feel a stretch barrier on the right side. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and repeat it for 3 sets on both sides. This is a great way to improve mobility in your shoulder in order to help facilitate a better recovery for your rotator cuff related injury. If you're unsure about the exercise or have any uncertainty about where you're at with your shoulder, consult your local physiotherapist before continuing.